Imagine popping a pill and getting all your daily nutrients in seconds. No cooking, no cleanup, just convenience. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if this was our reality? Could meal pills solve world hunger? Would they make us healthier or strip away the joy of eating? Let's dive into a future where every meal fits into your pocket. This idea isn't new. Back in 1893, suffragette Mary Elizabeth Lease envisioned a world where synthetic food freed women from domestic chores. Since then, sci-fi writers and filmmakers have kept the dream alive. And this is science spectacle. And here's what would happen if you could get all your meals in a pill. But why don't we have meal pills yet? The challenge lies in calories. Your body needs 2,000 calories a day to function, more than any pill can currently provide. Sure, vitamins come in pill form, but without calories you'd be malnourished and eventually starve. Let's break it down. 2 eggs, a slice of bread, some peanut butter for breakfast. Lunch, a turkey sandwich, carrots, and a cookie. Dinner, salmon, broccoli, and ice cream. Now imagine compressing all that into one tiny pill. Impossible, right? Closest we've come, Soylent. It's a nutrient-packed drink, born from one man's quest to cut down grocery bills. Imagine reducing your monthly food expenses from $470 to just $50. With climate change affecting food supplies, meal pills could offer a solution. Easier to produce, transport, and store, they could feed millions at a fraction of today's costs. And don't worry about missing your favorite flavors. Scientists are already creating capsules that release different tastes over time. So, could meal pills be the future of food? Fast, efficient, and surprisingly flavorful? One thing's for sure, the future of dining is set to revolutionize how we think about food. What do you think? Would you swap your meals for pills? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on this channel only on Science Spectacle. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.